the other vehicle did the same thing in front of me, so.
Well, I was looking at my computer, but I felt my car shake when you passed me.
What are you being nosy for?
Can you give me the keys?
No,
with our
no,
orders,
my dog
you're going to go to jail.
My dog is in the vehicle, and I do not trust you.
Go ahead and provide your registration.
And you can contact the Federal Bureau. I'm here
For what reason?
Because I'm here for work, and that's what our protocol is.
I do not want to take you to jail because you want to have an attitude.
A traffic stop in Monroe County starts with a deputy asking for license, registration, and insurance. But the woman behind the wheel does not hand over the paperwork. She tells deputies they need to contact the Federal Bureau. Once that answer comes out, the stop turns into something much bigger than a driver passing too close to a patrol car.
How you doing, ma'am?
I'm okay. Can I help you?
I'm Deputy Castor, Monroe County Sheriff's Office. Here's why I pulled you over. Me and my partner right there on the side of the road. In the state of Florida, we have a move over law. You either need to bump it down to 20 miles an hour, or you got to try to move over to the left-hand side.
The other vehicle did the same thing in front of me, so.
Well, I was looking at my computer, but I felt my car shake when you passed me. Have your license, registration, proof, or insurance, please.
You're going to have to contact the Federal Bureau for my information. I'm sorry. I'll give you, because that's what I'm here for, is work. And this is the vehicle they put me in, so you're going to have to contact them for that.
For your registration and everything?
Yep.
You don't have no registration in this vehicle?
Nope. You're welcome to get my information and get their information. That's fine, but that's what's going on.
What do you do for the federal?
I don't think that's any of your business.
Okay. So I asked her for registration. She goes, you got to contact the Federal Bureau of Investigation for it. This is one of their cars. She goes, I'm here for work. I asked her what for. She didn't give me any information. And this isn't coming back to anybody. The car isn't. I need to get the VIN, but there's a dog inside. Hey, how you doing, man?
I'm okay. What's the deal with hitting the vehicle?
What do you mean, hit the vehicle?
Yeah, is there a reason the vehicle kind of keeps getting hit? Or
Where?
when you walk by it?
What do you mean, ma'am? No one hit the vehicle.
When you walk by, it feels like somebody touched it.
What's wrong with that, ma'am?
Is that what I was feeling?
You have your license with you?
But is that what I'm feeling?
Not sure what you mean, man. No one hit your vehicle. I need your registration and insurance, ma'am.
Contact the Federal Bureau. I already informed this officer.
All right, that's fine.
That stop is on solid legal ground. Failing to move over for a deputy parked on the shoulder is a real traffic violation in Florida, and it's all he needs to pull her over and start asking questions. What she says back is where this whole thing starts to go sideways.
What are you being nosy for? Bodycam isn't out. You're being disrespectful right now.
Ma'am, my body-worn camera is out.
No, I'm asking you what are you doing, because you're being disrespectful right now. I was dealing with this deputy right here, and you're being nosy for just no reason. This is an invasion of privacy. Completely disrespectful.
It's a traffic stop, ma'am.
For no reason.
We're asking for your documentation. You refuse.
I would like to know if you're an impersonator.
Let me explain. No, I'm Deputy Marina with the Monroe County Sheriff's Office. That's who I am.
And you have any ID on you?
Yes, ma'am.
And you have a card with your badge number and your county.
We don't have a badge number. We have a call number, ma'am.
Listen to my words.
No, let me explain to you, ma'am.
When I ask if you're an impersonator, it's important.
Ma'am, I'm not an impersonator. I just told you who I am and who I work for.
And I asked if you had a card.
Ma'am, you're not going to let me explain. Hey, we're bickering back and forth. It's not going to get nowhere. If you're going to talk over me, we're not going to get nowhere with this, okay? We're going to go ahead and get a supervisor here since you requested.
Thank you, sir.
In the meantime, go ahead and provide your registration.
And you can contact the Federal Bureau. I'm here
for what reason?
Because I'm here for work, and that's what our protocol is.
Oh,
this is the vehicle they put me in, and if you would like to contact them for further information.
No, I need your registration. I'm pretty sure if you drive
the Federal Bureau.
Ma'am, like I said, you're going to keep going back and forth with me?
I gave you an answer. That's all I can do.
Okay, just wait for your Sergeant Gay.
April.
Yes, sir.
Quick question.
Yes, sir.
Are you an FBI agent? If you are, do you have credentials? That's all we're asking.
You have to give them my name.
You don't have credentials at all?
You have to give them my name. This is a highly on the down low case, and I am not able to disclose with you anything other than to be as honest as I can, but that's all I can say to you. I can give you their direct address and number, and then some name for the Federal Bureau. That's the best I could do for you. And I do have registration from the prior owner for this, but it is from 2018 or 2021. You're welcome to see it if you like.
May I see it?
Here's where she keeps skipping. Florida law says a driver at a stop has to hand over a license, the vehicle registration, and proof of insurance. Telling a deputy to call the Federal Bureau covers exactly none of that. And anyone really working a federal case would be carrying credentials to prove it.
Thank you for wearing your body cam.
Yes, ma'am.
This is from insurance and then the DMV. It is Montana and Nevada, and I am from Oregon.
Okay.
This is just different verification, so you can see the VIN number with it. Karen was a veteran. She's passed away now, and I want to make sure she's remembered. was keeping that together because her son is a part of this.
It's not registered or not?
It's not registered since 2018.
Since 2018?
Yes.
She never showed you her credits, right?
No credits. He asked her. Do you work? Are you a federal agent working for the FBI?
No, she's not.
So of course she's not. We asked her again to provide her registration and insurance. She couldn't do that.
Right, yeah.
She kept saying that.
Stay back. Okay, tell your car. Give me your car key.
No, I do not think so.
Ma'am, can you give me the keys?
You're not
No.
complying with our
No,
orders.
my
You're
dog
going to
is-
go to jail.
My dog is in the vehicle, and I do not trust you. I'm going
We're
to
not-
wait for a tow. No,
Listen to me.
I am not giving
You
you,
don't
my
get to
keys.
dictate what's
I am
going
not
on.
giving you my keys.
Then you're going to go to jail. Give me your car keys right now.
For
You're
what
gonna go to
reason?
jail. Come towing your car.
I will get my stuff out of there. I just locked it.
Em, you don't have a choice in this matter.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
The tow truck is not here. Yes, I
I'm
do.
going to tell you one more time. And
No.
if you are not
No.
complying with the lawful order, you are going to go to jail. I do not want to take you to jail because you want to have an attitude.
Are you going to call Jacksonville?
I'm not calling anybody.
Okay, then I'm going to unlock the vehicle because you're not going to leave me unfree willingly to get my dog out of the vehicle.
If you keep talking, you're
Okay.
going to be unfree to go.
I understand you don't like the way I'm speaking, but I'm being very,
I don't care. how
very,
you speak
very
to me.
calm.
You don't need to do anything special to me other than comply with my...
You said to get out of the vehicle and sign a citation, and then I could go
You have
back
the criminal
to the vehicle.
citation ready?
No.
Okay, I'm
We're gonna go ahead and tow that vehicle. Make sure you
not
make
going back to
arrangements.
this vehicle. I'm not going to continue to argue with you. Say it one more time.
And neither am I. I'm going to wait to sign the citation. I'm waiting for the
Give me
tow.
your keys.
I have done nothing for you to act this way.
Em,
This is harassment right now.
When a vehicle is being towed on a deputy's order, handing over the keys is not a request. Refusing to sign a citation is also its own separate charge in Florida.
man,
You feel better.
I'd feel better if you would cooperate.
I am cooperating. I'm going to make sure you're not an impersonator. Because if you are, then you're going to be in quite some trouble. This one right here as well.
Can you stand up, lean up against my car for me?
No, you need to get a woman to pat search me. I'm sorry.
So if you have a vehicle registered in the state of Florida, right? And it's not registered for more than 6 months, it's criminal. What happens if it's not registered at all since 2018? Is it still the same thing? I mean, it's still criminal, right?
Oh, yeah.
So can you arrest or you can give an NTA for either one, correct?
Yes, sir.
She's a convicted felon.
I know she is.
And she's been here, she came in on the 24th. So, post. She failed to register within 48 hours.
April, what's your dog's name?
Wilbur?
Wilbur.
Wilbur?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, Wilbur! Hi!
Bravo Uniform Agent David Delta X-Ray V.
She can open the door. What's the matter, buddy? Come on. You can go. Come on.
Come on. Come on, Wilbur.
There we go.
Are they going to be able to provide a ride there?
Not sure, but pretty sure if you ask someone, they'll give you a ride, or you can just call the sheriff's office. They'll provide you with some courtesy transport.
And the stipulation for me reporting on my end, since I was declined clarification for a phone call to Jacksonville.
Well, you get your phone call when you get to the station, ma'am.
No, for you gentlemen, for me to report that you declined calling for me to be verified.
You could take that up with whoever you need to take that up with.
Well, I
Okay?
was asking, do you know who?
No, I don't know who exactly. You just spoke to the sergeant. He's the one that placed you in custody.
And when he's the one that declined.
I'm giving you the same information that I know. Can't give you other information that I don't know of, okay?
If I could, I'd really like to bring that flower bag in the back.
What flower bag?
It's right there behind the bridge.
That's your makeup bag.
Yes, I have court tomorrow.
You're not gonna need all that.
I should have asked for my tennis shoes.
In Florida, certain convicted felons have to register with the local sheriff within 48 hours of moving into a new county. She came in days before this stop and never did. That failure, on top of everything else, leaves April booked on 4 charges: resisting an officer without violence, refusing to sign a criminal citation, failing to register a motor vehicle, and failing to register as a convicted felon. On scene, the FBI story fell apart. She had no credentials, and that car had been sitting unregistered since 2018. Did deputies give her enough chances, or did the arrest become unavoidable the moment she refused to hand over the keys? Drop that